Welcome back, fellow food geeks. It's good to have you back. Today we have a very simple dish for you. It is a home style okra or home style bhindi, or also known as lady finger. It can be had as a side, or it can be had with flatbreads, chapatis, that is, or parathas or puris. It's very delicious, it's very simple, and has very few ingredients. So, to start with, we need okra or lady's finger or bhindi, and we need 500 grams of that, and we are going to cut it like shown. The crown and the tip we'll cut. Remember to separate any okra which is not very clean, any lady's finger, and we'll cut 1 inch to a quarter inch size pieces. Now you can also cut it long with slits, any shape that you like you can cut it. It's entirely up to you. The reason I'll just zoom in and show you how I'm cutting it. The reason I'm cutting in this size is that it has a nice bite, and also I can check for any imperfections inside. Sometimes you do find it blackened from inside. In that case you're not going to use it. So I'll get all of these ready and come back. So now these are ready, and the next thing that we need are onions. So if you've seen, I'm cutting onions slightly long, just like the okra. They are 1 inch to a quarter inch long slices of onions, and I'll quickly cut it and get it ready. Now the next thing we need after this are green chilies. Now green chilies are optional. You may or may not put green chilies according to your choice. I've taken 2 to 3 green chilies and chopped them up fine. Now here I'm adding mustard oil. You can use any oil of choice, but I would prefer, if you take mustard oil, the taste will go up levels. So I've taken around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now keep in mind that mustard oil has a high smoking point, so you let it smoke, and we need a largish amount of oil because lady's finger or okra needs extra oil. So I've just put my okra or lady's finger in, and I'm going to toss it around. I want to saute it slightly before I add anything else. Now you will see that various home cooks add onions first and then add the okra. Actually, okra is a very slimy vegetable. The lady's finger, it's very slimy. So if you add onions first, it tends to get even more slimy because onions also release a lot of water. It's always good to shallow fry your okra or lady's finger before you add your onions. So we'll fry it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. I love the sound, don't you? And after that, we are going to add our onions to it. And along with the onions, we'll also add our green chilies. Now those are optional. In case you do not like spicy food, please omit the green chilies. Indians like spicy food as a general rule of thumb, so I'm going to add it. I love green chilies. And we'll now give it a quick mix. Now we're going to cook this together till the onions are softened slightly and the okra loses its crunch. So we don't want it raw at all. We are going to cook it till that point before we add any masalas to it. Not put the lid at any time over this wok. This is important. Please do not cover your okra or lady's finger with a lid, because in that case it's going to sweat and turn slimy. Now the first thing I'm going to add is 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Then I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric, depending on where you live. And I'm going to add around half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now this is Kashmiri red chili powder, and this is very mild. It's only for the color. It only just brings an oomph factor to the dish. It makes it look visually appealing. And as soon as I add my salt to taste, I'm going to give this all a mix. Now remember, you may think it needs more salt, but remember this okra or lady's finger is going to reduce a lot in size. So add a little less salt than you think it needs, because it is going to shrink up quite a bit. At least 20%, I would say. So remember to salt accordingly. Now we're going to give it a mix and intermittently keep on stirring the vegetable. Now do you see the way I'm stirring it? I am taking it from the side and just piling it on top in the middle and bringing it together. And that is the way you stir it around. I'm going to cook it for approximately 10 minutes now on the... Yes, I'm not covering it, because the minute I cover it, it'll start turning slimy. This way it won't turn slimy. And in around 10 minutes, and I have mixed it approximately 4 to 5 times, you'll see that the okra has really cooked well. You can taste it and adjust the seasoning. If it needs more salt according to you, you can add more salt now. And now we're going to add amchur or dried mango powder, whatever it is called. This brings a little bit of tang in the dish, and if you do not have this, you can also use dried pomegranate seed powder. That is also good, but we prefer using dried mango powder. It gives a delicious tang to the vegetable. Also, I'll adjust the salt because I just tasted it and I found out that the salt was a little less. Now remember, we are in the last stages of cooking, so it will take approximately 3 to 4 more minutes and the vegetable is going to be ready. Also, please notice that I'm using a cast iron wok. Now if you can season and you have a cast iron wok, nothing like it. I would suggest you use it. It adds to the taste as well. And so this is ready now. You can roast it further, and that is going to change the color now, because any more roasting would now lead to a brownish color. So this is ready to have. Serve it with any kind of a flatbread, a roti, a puri, paratha, chapati, anything you have. Please do give it a try. Trust me, it is more than the sum total of its ingredients. It's a very complex, lovely flavor, although the ingredients are supremely simple. Do give me a like if you like the recipe. Do let me know in the comment section if you try it and you like it. Of course, there are many more ways to cook lady's finger, and I would be showing you slowly, gradually, eventually those too. For that, you have to keep coming back after pressing the bell notification and subscribing, because you do know there is a whole lot of goodness and deliciousness left in my kitty, where this came from. Have a wonderful day. Bye.